The day has finally come again. So basically 2 days ago I tried dyeing my hair pink, if you can't tell by my shirt. And it did not work at all. So yeah, I filmed the whole thing, but I said, no, I'm not putting this on the internet because I need to deliver on what I'm promising. Do you see that? This is one of the most exciting things I've ever done. If I'm being honest here, I don't have a whole lot of hope because a lot of pink came out in my shower. I'm so sad. I was so ready to have pink hair. We're gonna dye it pink and hopefully this works because I went to the beauty supply store and I said, give me something that'll work, and then they did, so let's see if it works. Since I dyed my hair like 2 days ago, there's just like this random gross pink color and it's like only like in random sections. I got this Good Dye Young hair dye. I'm gonna start with the bottom of my hair because if I mess that up, you won't see it, so that's okay. Also, I bought just random cheap gloves that I could find, and if they don't work, I'm totally down to have pink hands. About 5 days ago, it was my 19th birthday, and I think it's a great idea to go into my 19th year with pink hair. So I should Vaseline like my face and neck, but I'm just not gonna because I don't care that much. We got paper towels so I don't mess up my whole entire bathroom. Look at the color. Oh my god. I think you literally just put it on your head. Like, I'm pretty sure. I hope, because I'm not adding anything to it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This feels so good. Why does it smell really good? I'm concerned for myself. So if you saw my last video, I was like just trying to apply pink to like the blonde parts of my hair, which is like the ends. But since I dyed it 2 days ago, it's like not super blonde. So I'm just gonna hope that this sticks. Last time when I dyed my hair pink for that one day, that was like the most freeing experience of my life, and I just want to feel like that again. I need to do something rebellious in my life, and this is it. This is my calling right now. I am not making the mistake of not putting enough on because I want this to work so bad. Can somebody please tell me why this hair dye smells so good? I thought this video would be very exciting to watch, but it's literally just me doing the same thing in my whole head. So I'm gonna finish up and then I'll come back to you. Okay, bye. The time has finally come for me to wash it out. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but we're just gonna pray. Like right now, if you look at it, it looks like, oh my god, that's like a pretty pink. But yeah, I like tried to wait as long as I could, but I don't want my hair to fall out. So I'm gonna go shower, then I'll come back and then we can style it and hopefully it looks good. Please pray for me. I really want this to work out. Okay, bye. I'm back. So I just got out of the shower. Please just don't mind my acne. So I have not looked at all, so we're gonna reveal it right now. Here we go. Oh my god. This is so exciting for me. I'm actually so surprised that this worked. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll probably do my hair, maybe like a bit of makeup, and then we'll see how it looks. I really hope that this looks good. Yeah, I thought that it was gonna look more pink in this lighting, but oh hey! I have pink hair! I'm filming this a couple days later because I thought I filmed it earlier, like the day of, but apparently I didn't. So this is just a full, complete look at my hair. I saw like a lot of friends throughout this week and all of them were like, I love your hair so much. This was the best idea ever. Not like a super hot pink, it's like a very calm neutral pink, which I think is super fun. Not too in your face, I can still look normal, you know, just going to the store. But yeah, I honestly could see myself dyeing my hair pink again because this was so much fun. Maybe in the future I could try out a bunch of pink dyes and just keep having pink hair. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like for pink hair because pink hair is so much fun. Subscribe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.